In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. Reporting tags are a simple but powerful way to categorize your customers and transactions so you can sort, filter, and analyze your data with custom criteria that actually fit your business. Think of them like flexible labels, such as location, sales channel, or department, that help you slice your numbers in a way that standard fields sometimes can't. Let's start by opening the area where tags live. In Zoho Books, click the gear icon at the top right and select Reporting Tags. This takes you to the list of all existing tags in your account. If you've used them before, you'll see them here. If not, it'll be a clean slate. Either way, this page is the control center for creating and managing your tagging structure. To add a new tag, click New Tag at the top right. Give your tag a clear, descriptive name that your team will understand at a glance. For example, location, project type, or sales territory. Then, list the options for this tag, the actual values you'll choose later when tagging customers or transactions. For a location tag, your options might be north, south, east, and west. Keep the options short, consistent, and mutually exclusive, so it's easy to pick the right one. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Now that the tag exists, it becomes available wherever tagging is supported. When you create or edit a customer, or when you're working on transactions like invoices, expenses, or bills, look for a field that lets you choose a reporting tag. Open the drop-down, select the tag value you created, and save the record. From that point on, the customer or transaction is categorized, making it easy to group and filter later. This small habit pays off quickly. With tags in place, you can view results by the tag values you care about, like comparing sales by region or tracking expenses by department. It helps you make cleaner, faster decisions without reinventing your reports each time. A few quick best practices to keep tagging effective. Plan a simple set of tags that aligns with how you review performance. Keep option names consistent to avoid duplicates, and use tags consistently across your team so your reports remain reliable. If you ever assign the wrong tag, just edit the customer or transaction and update the tag value. That's all there is to it. Create your tag, define its options, save it, and start assigning it as you work. With reporting tags in Zoho Books, organizing your data becomes clearer, smarter, and much more useful.